Triple monitor setups significantly boost productivity by providing ample screen real estate. Ideal for multitasking, content creation, and gaming, they allow you to view multiple applications simultaneously, reducing the need to switch between windows. HP docking stations make connecting these monitors easy and efficient. Ensure your HP docking station and laptop support triple monitor setups. Check the docking station's specifications for DisplayPort and HDMI outputs. The HP USB-C dock G5 or newer, or the HP Thunderbolt 5 dock from 2025 are good examples. Also, verify your laptop's graphics card can handle multiple displays simultaneously. Intel Arc or NVIDIA RTX series GPUs are recommended. Refer to your laptop's manual or device manager to confirm. For a triple monitor setup, you'll need 3 monitors. Each monitor should have either a DisplayPort 1.4 or higher port, which supports 4K resolution at 60 Hz, or an HDMI 2.1 port for higher refresh rates and better performance in demanding tasks like gaming or video editing. For connecting the monitors, use high-quality DisplayPort or HDMI cables. HDMI 2.1 offers excellent performance with higher refresh rates, while DisplayPort 1.4 provides reliable 4K support. Consider 8K-ready cables, which are certified for higher bandwidth, ensuring your setup remains compatible with future high-resolution displays and reducing the need for upgrades. If your monitors or dock don't have matching ports, you can use adapters like USB-C to HDMI converters. However, direct connections are always preferred for optimal performance and minimal signal loss. Finally, make sure to power your laptop through the docking station using its USB-C port to prevent battery drain during extended use, ensuring stable performance across all 3 monitors. There are 2 primary ways to connect 3 monitors to an HP docking station: daisy chaining and direct connections. Daisy chaining connects the first monitor to the dock using DisplayPort, then links the second and third monitors in sequence to the first. This method requires monitors that support multi-stream transport, or MST, to split the signal properly. For direct connections, use multiple ports on the dock, such as 1 HDMI and 2 display ports. Each monitor connects directly to the dock without chaining. Choose this method if your monitors lack MST support or if you're using different monitor types that don't daisy chain well. Once connected, configure your monitors in Windows. Go to Settings, Display. Windows should automatically detect the 3 monitors. Arrange them by dragging the icons to match your physical setup. Set the desired resolution and refresh rate for each monitor. Enable HDR if your monitors support it for vibrant colors. If monitors are not detected, try clicking Detect. Common issues with triple monitor setups include flickering, resolution drops, or monitor detection problems. Ensure all drivers are up to date using HP Support Assistant. Test each monitor individually to rule out faulty cables or ports. Avoid overloading the dock by connecting one monitor at a time during setup. Restarting your computer can sometimes resolve display issues. Ensure your dock has sufficient power. For productivity, dedicate each monitor to specific tasks. Use one for primary work, another for email and chat, and a third for reference materials. This setup reduces task switching and boosts efficiency. For gaming, create a seamless experience across all 3 screens using NVIDIA Surround or AMD Eyefinity software. This combines the monitors into one large display for immersive gameplay. To eliminate screen tearing, use AMD FreeSync or NVIDIA G-Sync compatible monitors. These technologies synchronize the monitor refresh rate with your graphics card for smooth visuals. FreeSync offers 3 tiers: Basic FreeSync Premium for higher refresh rates, and Premium Pro for HDR support. Adjust bezel correction in your graphics card control panel to hide monitor bezels for a more immersive view. In NVIDIA Control Panel, use the Adjust Desktop Size and Position settings. For AMD, access Resize Desktop options in Radeon settings. Looking ahead, the future of triple monitor setups with HP docking stations promises exciting advancements in connectivity and display technology. One major trend is wireless docking through Wi-Fi 7, which will be available in upcoming HP models. This eliminates cables for a cleaner setup. Foldable and curved ultra-wide monitors are gaining popularity and could replace traditional triple setups in compact spaces. Expect AI-powered docking stations that automatically adjust display settings based on your activities, like switching modes for work or gaming. Stay informed by regularly checking HP's website for the latest model updates and technological advancements.